What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic. Oh, magic! I am your host, EvanEra. Today I'm showing you how to make your own magic tricks.
You'll find your own magic one day.
If you're ready, hit that thumbs up button and let's go! Today I'm going to be walking you through the process of how to create your own magic tricks that are unique and original. Step one in this process is finding inspiration. And something else that has worked for me is to create the trick first. Create the effect, like what the person's going to see before you create the method of how it's done. So it's kind of like working backwards. You're maybe taking an object like a deck of cards and thinking about what could I make magical happen with this deck of cards. If I could really do magic, what would I make a deck of cards do? With a deck of cards, the possibilities are really endless. And just like that, the card goes right through my fingers. Alright, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal the secret to this trick is extremely simple, and I'll teach you how it's done right now. Okay, here is the secret to the card through the fingers trick. This is super easy. You're just gonna cut some spaces out of a card just like this and fit it over your fingers. So sometimes the methods are really simple to create an effect that looks impossible. You don't really have to make a card go through your fingers, you just have to make it look like you do. And there's a lot of different ways to do that. This wouldn't be the only way to make it look like a card goes through your fingers. You could even create a similar illusion of a card going through your finger by using a fake finger. So there's many different methods, many different roads to get to the same destination. You could make a card float. Watch the card. If I just let go, it looks like it just magically floats in midair. Look, you can wave above and below it on all sides. The card just floats right there. Make the cards shuffle or cut themselves. Go through and pick out any card you want in the deck. Any card. Pick a card, any card. Any card will do. Got it? Okay?
Can I show you?
I can see it, yes, it's okay. It's not that kind of trick. I have seen this trick before. 9 of clubs. Show it to the cam. Got it, 9 of clubs. Now, what I'm gonna have you do is sign your name right across the front face of the card on the club part. Sign your name right across there, make it unique. You could draw a picture. Just do something on the card to make it different than any other card in the world. Got it? Now that is definitely unique. Different than any other card out there for sure. I would not have known in any way that you were gonna do that. You take the card, show it to the camera. That is Ava's card right there. The card's gonna go right back in the deck like this. Now watch. I'm gonna sit the deck down on the table and I'm not gonna touch it anymore for the rest of the trick. Just watch the deck. Now look, you see how it's cut? Watch. Is that your card?
Yeah.
So just looking at objects in the world around you like a glass bottle and thinking, what could I create with this? What would be magical that would happen with a glass bottle? So maybe the bottle breaks on its own, or once it's broken, the glass somehow heals and comes back together. Or since it's an empty bottle, maybe it's obvious that the bottle should refill. So watch, we can just use a little magic and you can see the bottle will begin refill just like that. Thinking about why a trick happens as well is also something that you want to ponder. So if you have an empty bottle, obviously something's empty, we want to refill it. Coming up with something that's really original is difficult, because a lot of things have been done. You might look at a glass bottle and think, okay, something can go through the glass bottle, like a coin or a card. 1, 2, 3, it goes right inside. Or even since the glass kind of looks almost clear like water, what if the bottle turned into a puddle of water and the label still was laying there, but the bottle looks like it just melts into a puddle on the table? Which might seem like an impossible thing to do at first, but that's kind of how you start with an idea and then kind of work out the method of how you might do that. Because you don't actually need to make it happen, you just need to make it appear like you do. And there are a lot of different ways to achieve the same effect. There are a lot of different ways to peel a potato. And sometimes inspiration can come from real life. At one point I had a bag of water that had a hole in it, and it was leaking. And there was just water leaking out of the bag, and I thought to myself it would be great if I could find a way to patch this hole magically and heal the leak. And that's what I did. I found a way to magically heal the bag just like that. so it would no longer leak. The secret to that is really simple. It's just a magic fake thumb tip. Fill up the thumb tip with water and then slip it on your thumb just like this, but to the audience they'll never see it. And the design of the thumb tip locks the water inside. We have these available at EvanEraTV.com if you don't have a magic thumb tip. Also stay tuned for the end of the video. I'm giving away 5 magic thumb tips to 5 lucky comments in the comment section. Then all you need is a bag filled up with water. You're going to pinch the bag in the corner, and then as you press on the thumb tip, water will be forced out of the bag and it looks like the bag is leaking. Then to heal it, all you have to do is stop squeezing, and now the bag is healed because it was sealed in the first place and water was never really leaking out of it. You can hand the bag of water out for examination and there's nothing to find.
You want to see something really cool?
Let's do it. The first thing you're going to need to pull this off are some of these long balloons. Pick a color, and then the next thing you're going to need is a safety pin. Next step is to just poke through the end of the balloon. That's not the side that you inflate, but the little nub on the end right here. You're just going to poke through with the safety pin just like that and create 2 holes there. And then we're going to go the opposite way and create 2 more holes. Just like that. So there's 4 holes total now in the end of the balloon. This is the setup you're gonna do for the trick before you ever present it to the audience. Now you can inflate the balloon like normal. All right, walk us through what you're doing here. So the holes are in the tip of the balloon here. You're gonna do the opposite end into your mouth, right?
Yeah, it's super easy. You put your tongue right here and you put it like on the knot and push in. And then as you're forcing it into your mouth and like the pressure is being forced that way, it'll push it out of the balloon. It looks like you're eating it. So right there, right on the balloon.
You can actually hear the air coming out of the end of it right here if you listen really closely. And the whole thing kind of just folds in on itself like that. That's crazy. And then you just hide it in your mouth basically. Okay, check this out. I have a US $50 coin here. I'm gonna toss it up in the air. We're gonna see if I can make something amazing happen. Watch. All right, let's go check it out. Come on. I come down, look right here. You can see I shot a hole right through that coin. That's a way of taking an existing trick and adapting it, making it something new. A karate coin has existed for a long time. We have these available at EvanEraTV.com. Adapting it and kind of making it a trick shot with a gun is something completely new that I haven't seen done before. So that's an example of taking an existing trick or an existing principle of magic, adapting it and making it something brand new. All right guys, that is it for this video. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up button and share it with someone you think might like it as well. Head over to EvanEraTV.com. That is our online shop. We have a lot of really cool magic tricks, fun pranks, cool gadgets, and laugh at life merch. Again, the link for that is EvanEraTV.com. Click the link in the description of this video. It is giveaway time. I'm giving away 5 magic thumb tips and 5 magic karate coins to lucky comments in the comment section down below. All you have to do to win the giveaway is hit the thumbs up on the video and leave a comment. I'll be going through the comment section, reading all your comments and picking 10 lucky winners and mailing out the magic to you. It's time to announce the giveaway winners from our last How To Magic video. The winners are magically appearing on the screen right here. Congratulations to our winners. Be sure to send your full mailing address to this email address on the screen to claim your prize. Thank you to everyone who entered that giveaway drawing, and good luck to everyone entering this giveaway. Be sure to hit the thumbs up on the video and leave your comments down below. If you're new to our channel, be sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you see all of our videos. We make new magic videos like this every single week. Until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you. Through my fingers. Magically heal the bag. Shot a hole right through that coin.